Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Oh, da doo-dah day. You say no to drugs, man. Look at this man. That's why you supposed to say no to drugs, man. This man gone out the smack, man.
No, it's crack.
Oh, crack. You heard what he said. No smack.
Never disrespected. If you well connected with some rocks that you important as the president. Rocks are so impressive that I don't need no breakfast, but these fiends get impressed when you pulling up with 7. The crack house on benches. I don't need the freshest. Black skeleton slacks, usually what I'm dressed in. Chopping rocks, melt that powder up, no injection. Hustlers rush, hold them TVs up in their direction.
I'm that nigga, for real, for real. I just don't like being that nigga. And understand the principle about what's happening. The United States government, this idiot stopped in front of me so he could be chivalrous to let the lady go. When he could have let both of us go. And understand the principle about what's happening. The United States government, this idiot stopped in front of me so he could be chivalrous to let the lady go. And understand the principle about what's happening. The United States government, this idiot stopped in front of me so he could be chivalrous to let the lady go. When he could have let both of us go. Like up until a couple of years ago, I really thought it was.
What's up, dude?
Got his black screen, so we can't see it. I'm just gonna show you a black screen. Don't unblack it.
I ain't worried.
But he's in here. Oh, he is in here. He's like, yo, look at all the deep glass. He said, look, rat bastards.
What's good, people?
All of the things. He was showing you the 2 fingers. Smell them.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Smell
Nah,
them.
this is the actual peace finger, not this. It's this.
That's the 2 fingers. I was making a joke about you gonna now smell your fingers.
I got it though. Now you got a new way to connect, bro.
Yes. Yo, look, we could do these lives also. Hell fucking yeah.
All right, so we all set now.
Boom. I'm gonna let you get back to work, my brother. Thank you very much. Pull up later. Salute.
Yes, sir.
Hey, even Wookiees need a little love. Call now at 1-900